So we have another coffee machine that's broken, and this is the container of the water, looks like. So the water is dripping out of the container and it's not good. I have to use another container from the coffee machine that I've used earlier, just to test if this one's working fine or whatever. So I'm turning it on. As you can see, there are two lights blinking. By the way, I already put in my coffee capsule here. So as soon as this stops blinking, I'm gonna be good. So let's start with the small espresso button and see if it works. So I think this is working fine because it reached like half of this espresso cup, which is pretty normal. But I'm not sure with the bigger button. Let's just try. So there, the bigger button is pouring in water, but then it just gave me this very little water. I'm gonna try to pour in again. And then it stops. So that's the problem. This button used to give me like 1 cup of this, but now I have to press it like 4 times. To get this amount, which is not really good. So that's it.